Students, today we are going to learn the problems on properties of derivatives. In the previous class, we discussed about properties and problems. Today we will going to learn some more problems. So find the derivative of the following functions. First one, 3x plus 1 by 7x plus 5. So it is of the form u by v. The function is of the form u by v. So take numerator 3x plus 1 as u and denominator as v, 7x plus 1, 7x plus 5. So u derivative is 3 into 3 coefficient, x derivative is 1 and 1 derivative is 0. So 3 into 1 is 3, that is u dash. V dash means 7 into 7 is the coefficient, x derivative 1 and 5 derivative is 0. 7 into 1 means 7 plus 0 means 7. U dash equal to 3, V dash equal to 7. So we have to substitute these values. What is the u by v? Derivative of u by v is u dash v minus v dash u by v square. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. What is the u dash? U dash is 3 and v 7x plus 5. So 3 into 7x plus 5 minus v dash means 7 into 3x plus 1 by v square. V means 7x plus 5 whole square. So multiplication 3 into 7 21x, 3 into 5 15, minus 7 into 3 minus 21, minus 7 into 1 minus 7. This plus 21x minus 21x cancel, 15 minus 7 means 8 by the 7x plus 5 whole square as it is, means 8 by 7x plus 5 whole square. Next problem, sin x by 1 plus cos x. Here it is also u by v form. So u equal to sin x numerator and v equal to 1 plus cos x. So u dash sin x derivative, it is denoted by u dash sin x derivative cos x, and v dash means here 1 derivative 0, cos x derivative is minus sin x. So 0 minus sin x means minus sin x, means u dash equal to cos x, v dash equal to minus sin x. So derivative, we have the formula derivative of u by v equal to u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So substitute u dash means cos x into 1 plus cos x v minus v dash minus sin x into sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Substitute in this one, we get d by dx of sin x by 1 plus cos x equal to cos x into 1 plus cos x minus of minus sin x into sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Multiplication cos x into 1 cos x into cos x cos square x minus plus sin x into sin x sin square x. This sin square x plus cos square x becomes 1. Denominator is 1 plus cos x whole square. So cos x plus 1 by 1 plus cos x whole square. This 1 plus cos x, this 1 plus cos x whole square, 1 will cancel, same. So we will get only 1 plus cos x. So 1 by 1 plus cos x is the answer. Okay. Next, a minus b cos x by a plus b cos x. Here also same. A minus b cos x by a plus b cos x, it is also u by v form. So u means numerator, a minus b cos x, v equal to denominator, a plus b cos x. Derivative, u dash, a derivative constant derivative 0 minus b coefficient cos x derivative minus sin x. minus plus u dash equal to b into sin x. Next, v dash equal to a derivative is 0, b into cos x derivative is minus sin x. So minus b sin x. U dash equal to b sin x, v dash equal to minus b sin x. So formula, we have the formula u by v, derivative of u by v equal to u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So substitution. U dash means b sin x into v, a plus b cos x, minus v dash minus of b sin x into u, a minus b cos x by v square, means a plus b cos x, so a plus b cos x whole square. Next, so after substitution we get b sin x into a plus b cos x minus of minus b sin x into a minus b cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Simplification, multiply with b sin x into a b sin x, b sin x into b cos x, b square sin x cos x. Next, minus minus plus b sin x into a plus ab sin x minus b square into sin x cos x. This minus b sin x cos x plus b square sin x cos x is same. Denominator same. ab sin x plus ab sin x means 2ab sin x by a plus b cos x whole square. A plus b cos x whole square. Okay. Next, homework problems. Ax plus b by cx plus d. Fifth problem, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Next, 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. Okay. Do this. All are u by v. Numerator take numerator as u, denominator as v. This is u by v formula problems. Next, we'll do the chain rule. Derivative of a function of a function. Function of a function. That is also called chain rule. Okay. Chain rule means suppose also called chain. Suppose y equal to f of g of x is the function. Not up to now we discussed about only f of x, standard function f of x. But if the function is of the form y equal to f of g of x, what is the derivative of this function? Okay, I am taking u equal to g of x. G of x equal to u. Then the function becomes y equal to f of u. G and f x u anukunta ఏమవుతుంది f of u. Y equal to f of u. What is the derivative? Du by dx equal to g dash x. U derivative du by dx, g of x derivative g dash x. And dy by du function of u లో ఉంది కాబట్టి derivative dy by du is f dash u. U is in function of x. So du by dx, derivative of u with respect to x, that is j dash x. Y is function of u, therefore dy by du, derivative of y with respect to u, f dash u. So by chain rule, dy by dx, we need to calculate dy by dx. Find dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. If you cancel du, we get dy by dx only. This is called chain rule. Dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Dy by du means f dash u. Du by dx means g dash x. We have to substitute these two values. Okay. Next, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by du means f dash u. Du by dx means g dash x. Next, dy by dx means d by dx of y means f of g of x and f dash of u into g dash of x. What is the u? U means g of x. U means g of x. Therefore, f dash of u means g of x into g dash x. Means derivative of f of g of x equal to f dash of g of x into g dash x. F dash of g of x into g dash x. Okay. Derivative of f of g of x equal to f dash of g of x into g dash x. Means if you take this as f is outside function, g of x is inside function, it is outside function, it is inside function. Then first of all we have to find outside function derivative of outside function. Derivative of outside function కనుక్కోవాలి. అప్పుడు ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎఫ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటూ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ అవుట్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ కనుక్కోవాలి. అలా కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు అవుట్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఉంచాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ జీ డాష్ ఎక్స్. It is very, very important. First outside function derivative, then inside function derivative. So for example, derivative of sine of f of x. Sin of f of x means sin is outside function, f of x is inside function. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇదంతా ఈ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని స్మాల్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే సైన్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ వాట్ కాస్ మీన్స్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ సైన్ డెరివేటివ్ ఈజ్ కాస్, సో కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఈ సైన్ డెరివేటివ్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా ఉంచాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్. Okay, first sin derivative, sin function derivative cos, so cos f of x. Next inside function derivative f dash x. Next derivative of f of x whole to the power of n means n into f of x whole to the power of n minus 1 into inside function f of x, then your derivative f dash x. So it is of the form ఇది ఏమవుతుంది sin x form, sin x derivative. నెక్స్ట్ xకి బదులు f of x ఉంది కాబట్టి f of x, ఇది x to the power of n form, x to the power of n derivative n into x to the power of n minus 1. నెక్స్ట్ xకి బదులు f of x కాబట్టి f of x derivative f dash x. Okay. Next similarly we get the formulas. Derivative of sin of ax plus b. Here sin is outside function, ax plus b is inside function. Sin derivative is cos of ax plus b, and inside function derivative of ax plus b. ax plus b derivative ఏంటి a into x derivative 1 b derivative 0 means that value is a into cos of ax plus b. Next derivative of cos of ax plus b, outside function is cos derivative is minus sin of ax plus b, and derivative of inside function ax plus b derivative is a, therefore minus a into sin of ax plus b is the formula. You can remember as a formula also. Okay, or problem. Derivative of log of ax plus b, log derivative 1 by x. So log derivative outside function log derivative is 1 by x, so 1 by ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b, inside function ax plus b, a into 1 by ax plus b. Next ax plus b derivative a, derivative of ax plus b whole to the power of n is the x to the power of n formula. So outside function whole to the power of n into ax plus b whole to the power of n into derivative of inside function derivative of ax plus b, that is a. So n into a to the power of x plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into a. Like that all the formulas, basic formulas మనం నేర్చుకున్న బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి ఉంటే అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ ఇది అవుతుంది ఇంటూ ఏ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ లాగ్ ఎక్స్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఎక్స్కి బదులు ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి, ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏమొస్తుంది డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి, ఇది ఎక్స్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఫార్ములా. అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ సేమ్. ఓకే, వీటిని ఫార్ములాస్ లాగా గుర్తుంచుకున్నా సరిపోతుంది, లేదా డైరెక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేసినా సరిపోతుంది. We'll see one example. Find dy by dx if y equal to 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 6. y equal to 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 6. సో ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంది ఇది టోటల్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 6. సో లెట్ y ఈక్వల్ టు 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 6. Derivative f of x whole to the power of n, that is f of x whole to the power of n derivative n into f of x whole to the power of n minus 1 into f dash x. So first n ante 6 into f of x ante 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 6 minus 1 into derivative of d by dx of 2 inside function 2x minus 7. So 6 into 2x minus 7, 6 minus 1 means 5. d by dx of derivative of 2x minus 7 is 2 into x derivative 1, 7 derivative is 0, 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 వస్తుంది. 6 into 2, 12, 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 5. Okay, this is the one problem. Remaining this method problems we will do in the next class. Okay, complete your fair notes and homework problems. If you have any doubts, send me a message or call to me and go through the chain rule once again. In the next class we will do the problems on that chain rule. Thank you.